Hi guys, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming. Today, this is day 2. We are at Penzance. Last night, as you guys know, we stealth camped here. There was only 2 cars, but now there's quite a few. Probably because it's morning and people want to go to the beach. This is a lovely beach area. Over there, if you can see that little island, you can only access it when the tide is out. So that lights that I tried showing you guys yesterday, that was actually this little castle bit over there. It was purple, now it's quite, well, dark. But as you can see, that little pathway there, you only access it when the tide is out, which I find quite cool. This is a lovely place to stay. So let's have a quick walk around and see what there is to see. Right guys, so it is day 3 today. We just self-camped here overnight for another night. This is a lovely place to stay, as you guys know that I've already told you. We're just heading into the shops now, see what shops there are and get some stuff. Just to check out, basically to say that we've been to this place. But also, doesn't this remind you of when the pirate comes out from there? That's like in a horror movie. That's kind of creepy. Right guys, so we are driving to St Ives now. The good thing about it is it's only 6 to 7 miles away from here, which is quite good. So we're just driving there now. But there's so narrow pathways that are very small and nimble. So we are going to try and get through them. But the thing we love about this van is that it can go up steep hills, and the old van, it really struggled to go up them. So I feel like this van is a lot better than the other one. What do you guys think? Right everyone, here we are at St Ives. Now let's try and find a place to park whilst we are here. Cool guys, I bet you can imagine in the olden days where the sailors, when they got off the ships, used to come here into the pubs. That's how old they are. These are narrow streets now, aren't they? So many people down here. I wonder why. Cool, look at that old church. It looks like it's at least 100 years old. What do you guys think?
Almost as old as your nanny. I know, she's older.
No, she's not.
Look at that. I think we picked the wrong car park.
Yeah, probably. These rocks look so old, but yet they added all the signs to it, and now it looks kind of new. Kind of. Kind of if they painted it. pathways on the path at the bottom. They're made from rocks, not concrete. That's old. They're so narrow, probably because they used to ride their carts and horses down here.
Look at that water, look.
That water's quite clear, isn't it? I could really even tell it was water. I thought it was just wet sand. Right guys, so we did try and go there, but there was no parking spaces. Absolutely zero parking spaces. And if you are in the motorhome, try not to come here because they are very thin roads and there's a very steep hill which we barely made it up. So if you do go on that steep hill, try not to stop. If they do tell you to stop, stop. But it will be hard to go up. We are heading to Anchor Barrows now. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I might do some in a minute. I might do some B-roll. I might not. We'll find out on the way there.
Go back there tomorrow.
Yeah. But we're going to try and go back there tomorrow, so don't you guys worry, we will try and record it. And the crystal clear ocean, I can't resist. So we will try and go there tomorrow. I have to wake up early though. And Google's done it again. Instead of taking us through the main roads, it's taking us through the skinny tight roads. Why?
I'm playing the banjo, so. Better get copyright on that.
Right guys, as you can see the fog has cleared up and you can see as you guys can see the fog has cleared up a bit, so you can see some of the beautiful views at this campsite. We don't really go to campsites, but when we're in Devon or going to Devon, we like to pop in here for 1 to 2 nights. Just to stay here because it's £18 a night. It's really nice here. We never go to campsites except from this one. They do foods on some nights, but unfortunately we're missing that food nights. They do live music as well. They have really nice things. It's quite cheap, £18 a night, and they have showers, laundry. You does pay for laundry, but washing up, showers for the girls, hair dryers. I don't know about the boys. And then he gets to empty the toilet and fill up the water. That's Eddie's job, right? Or that is Eddie's job. Right, speak to you guys in a minute. Peace out. Right guys, so this is Penzance. It's a lovely little town with lots of shops you can go into, which it's quite nice to have a little walk around. And also I'm just going to walk around and show you guys what's around here. Right guys, so this is Penzance Beach as you've seen before, and if you want to know more about those smuggler caves which weren't as eroded before they were that eroded, go check out our video. We might link it in the description. This is Penzance Beach. Right guys, so we had to cut the trip a bit short because it's raining and it's misty. Like, the weather always follows us. So whilst we're driving, we're going to a different beach that says it reminds him of me, probably because I looked on Google Maps and it's beautiful. Like, and I'm playing a game with my friend Phoebe on here whilst we're driving to the place. See you guys in a minute. Peace out. Really, Daddy? Really? Right guys, so we're at Widemouth Beach and look at this sand. This sand isn't like normal sand you'd get. It's much like thicker. It feels nicer, but it's much thicker and darker, and it goes right down there. This is very weird. This is at Widemouth Beach. Surfers. Look at the waves. Might not look like much, but it is a lot. As you can see all down there, the surfers. Right guys, so it didn't work out really at Widemouth, so we are here at Bude. So there was jellyfish washing up on the ocean, and it wasn't really nice to swim with jellyfish, if you know what I mean, and there's massive waves. So let's see if we can go swimming in this ocean and there's no jellyfish. Bye. Right guys, so the waves here are massive as well. Look how big these waves are. They get smaller here but big down there. Look, this is the water. It's small here, but look how big it gets down there. Wow. Guys, as you can see, it says motorhomes and campers prohibited between 11 to 8 hours. But the thing is, places here are very, well, places where you can't really park, anti-climatic, which is quite frustrating because, like, they have toilets open very late. You can't sit here. They have bins which you can use. They have a shop. They have the beach, but I'm confused that they won't let you park here overnight. You even have to enter your registration number or your license plate number on here for this, which is very frustrating, which I don't get. So we're gonna try and find somewhere else to stay here the night. This is a lovely beach though, a very nice beach. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I might do some B-roll whilst we're driving. I might not. We will see whilst we are driving there. It shouldn't be far to the place we're going to stay the night. Hopefully we are allowed to stay the next place the night, otherwise we'll have to keep moving. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace out. Right guys, sorry for the abrupt ending, but our GoPro, as you guys know, I normally record on that, has fried another battery. We only got 3 weeks ago. This is the 3rd battery. So that's really frustrating because we did it just before the Wales trip. We got a new battery. And we need it for an upcoming event at the campervan and overlander show, because we're going to be in the YouTuber section, so I will record some of that if you guys want to meet me there. But the thing is, with the GoPro, we're going to try and contact GoPro and try and get another battery, because I'm confused on how it keeps frying these batteries. It's very frustrating because I did try and record Westwood Ho, but the thing is, the battery was fried, so I couldn't record anything at Westwood Ho. It was a lovely beach. I wish I could have recorded it for you guys, but it wouldn't let me, because every time I charged it, it would be dead by the time I wanted to record, when it was fully charged a few hours ago. I didn't even turn it on. For some reason, it keeps doing this, and it's very frustrating. So if you guys want to meet us, we'll be in the YouTuber section, the Overland and Campervan show. So make sure, if you are coming, make sure to come and meet us in the YouTuber section. We shouldn't be far. Right guys, so if you are in the YouTuber section and you are a fan of us, obviously, if you're watching this video, come along, grab some stickers and have a little chat with us. We don't really mind. Also, about the gaming, we would actually found a way to be doing the gaming. So we'll be doing a gaming video in a few weeks. That should be our next video. I'll see you guys in a minute. That's the end of our Devon and Cornwall trip. Peace out.